Open house today, 9839 Hoover Woods. Hope you came out to see me, but if you didn't, I'll show you what you missed. Let's go take a look. You won't believe the backyard in this home. Got 1.5 acres and it's all private. Probably going to need a John Deere if you buy this home. Home has a great kitchen, lots of countertop space, granite countertops. You can see cooktop, stainless steel, double ovens. Again, just incredible amount of counter space. See the hardwood in the dining room. This deep, deep blue purple color is just beautiful in this dining room. The great room is beautiful. I have the wall of windows. Looking out to the back. Beautiful large backyard, very private. Check out the living room. This beautiful, beautiful mirror. This brand new carpet in the den. Great place to study, looking out to the front, which is also very private. This is the entry level from the garage. You can see closet space as well as a place for the kids to put their stuff when they come in. No laundry room here. There's the eat-in space right off the kitchen, looking out to the beautiful backyard. Now that's a laundry room. Sinks and counter space. Bedrooms are all very large, lots of closet space. This bedroom faces the back and it's got corner windows. Great bedroom. I think we've got a ball player in this bedroom. Also, it faces the back. Large closet space. Hall bathroom, double sinks. The master is very large. Let's go take a look. Walk in through the hallway here. Vaulted ceilings. Master tub's more like a jacuzzi. More like a hot tub, I guess. Big shower. Great sink space. I'm sorry you missed me today at Hoover Woods. This home's priced at $399. Oh, I guess you didn't miss it if you watched this video. Give me a call. Love to show it to you.